Hi, this is Jogatak's show again, telling you about endemic birds of our country. Today's feature is about the Philippine hanging parrot. Welcome to my channel. The Philippine hanging parrot is a small, bright green parrot endemic to the Philippines. It measures around 14 centimeters in length, with a short tail and distinct red markings on its forehead, throat, and undertail. Some subspecies have slight variations in their coloration, with additional yellow or orange patches. This bird is known for its unusual behavior of sleeping while hanging upside down, similar to a bat. It is a fast and agile flyer, often seen darting between trees in forests, plantations, and even urban gardens. The species thrives in various habitats across the country, including lowland and montane forests, coconut plantations, and wooded areas near human settlements. It primarily feeds on nectar, fruits, flowers, and seeds, playing an important role in pollination by transferring pollen between plants as it feeds. For nesting, it uses tree holes where the female lays 2 to 3 eggs, and both parents participate in feeding and protecting the chicks. Despite being classified as a species of least concern by the IUCN, the Philippine hanging parrot faces threats from deforestation and illegal capture for the pet trade. Many people keep them as pets because of their small size and charming appearance, which has led to a decline in some local populations. Conservation efforts focus on protecting forest habitats and regulating the trade of wild birds to ensure their survival in the wild.